First, give you my warm welcome. Today we will discuss about the statics in arithmetic means. We discuss the property of the arithmetic means. So, property of the arithmetic means with the help of the some theorems. If first theorem is given here, the if x bar is the arithmetic means of the arithmetic means of the observation x1 x2 xn. Then the x1 minus x bar, x2 minus x bar, x3 minus x bar, these are all sums will always be xn minus x bar. The sum of all will always be a 0. So with the help of this we can calculate the another numbers if the arithmetic means is given. Okay, with the help of that. So first theorems we will discuss here. Theorem first of the arithmetic means. So property of the arithmetic means first we will solve here. So property of the arithmetic means. Okay, property of the arithmetic means we have written here. Now theorem first. Theorem first. If x bar is the arithmetic means of observations of n observation okay, n observations means that's x n observations x1 x2 x3 and xn. Okay, x1 x2 x3 and xn. then the x1 minus x bar plus x2 minus x bar, these are the sums. x1 minus x bar, x2 minus x bar plus x3 minus x bar plus xn minus x bar will always be 0. Okay, we have to prove here. So with the and derive the formula with the help of that. So if the arithmetic means of the n observations is given, we will calculate the another numbers. Okay, so arithmetic means here is the proofs. We know that proof we know that what we know that the arithmetic means that x bar is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus xn by n. Okay, number of observations will always be, okay, so is always be equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus xn is equal to multiply x bar into x bar n. Okay, these are the multiplications. We will get here first equations. Suppose that this is the equation first. How will observe that this equation first? So first, and then we will write here, so since x bar x1 minus x bar, okay, plus minus x bar plus x2 minus x bar plus x3 minus x bar plus xn minus x bar is equal to 0. As we know that, students, okay, we know that, so we can write here, so the upon that will always be n. So we will write here the value of xn by x bar. Got it? So xn, so we can write here, sir, all the value here x1 minus x bar, okay, plus x1 plus x2, x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus xn minus x bar n. Okay, we can write here x bar n. So xn minus x bar, so this will equal to xn minus x bar. Got it? xn minus nx bar. Nx bar is equal to 0. Xn minus nx nx bar minus nx bar is always be 0. Why? Because using the first equations, by using first equations, equation first we have used here, so it would be like this. So we can say that we can say that x1 minus, then sorry, hence x1, okay, minus x1 minus x bar plus x2 minus x bar plus x3 minus x bar plus xn minus x bar will always be 0. Proved. Okay, these I have proved. We will take the questions with the help of example. We will try to solve these types of the question. Okay, so first example we will take here. Um, we will take here. The means of the 8 numbers is 25. Okay, questions is here. The mean of the x number is 25. Got it? It means of the x number, not the x numbers, 8 numbers. 8 number is 25. If the 5 is subtracted from each number, if the 5 is subtracted from each number, 5 is subtracted from each number, then what will be the new number? What will be the new numbers? So solutions, we will write here solution as we already continue doing here. Okay, so solution we will write here. So given number 8, let's given number is x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus xn. Okay, these are the given number. So the arithmetic means the mean of these numbers, then the mean of these number is equal to number of observations. Okay, number of observations we will write here. So number of observations here, observations x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus xn by n. What it's total numbers we have written. So total number is given here, so 8. So we will write here 8. Got it? And suppose that x1 x2 will always be 25, and we know that, and therefore here is x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus xn is equal to 25 by 8 is equal to, all is equal to 25. Okay, so we can write here, so these 25s, got it, these 25s, and then we know that, so here we will write here x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus xn is equal to 25 8s are 200. Okay, we have got it, 25 8s are 200. Suppose that this is the first equation according to the, so we have proved here. So equation first, equations, this is the equation first. Now we will further take the numbers as given here. The mean of the new number, we will write here mean of the new number. So new number will always be x1 minus 5s plus x2 minus 5s plus x3 minus 5s. Okay, so total number we have taken here is x1 x2 x3 5s and xn minus 5s plus xn minus 5s. Okay, these are the new numbers, and divided by 5s, divided by 5s. So suppose that so divided by 5s will always be how much numbers? There will be the total number will always be 5. So 5 5 5 5 so 8 times. So we will write here is equal to, of course we can write here so x minus, we can write here uh, that is 40 x1 plus x2 plus x3 x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus xn divided by so minus 40 by 5. What it's minus 40 by no, minus 40, yes, minus 40 is given here, so we will write here minus 40. So x wait, 8, so 40 by 8, so it becomes 40 by 8 minus from 40. So from the equation first we will write here, because x1 x2 x3 value so we have calculated here, so we will write here x1 x2 200 minus 40 by 8, it becomes 200 minus 40 by 8 160 by 8. So new number will be 20. This will be the answer 20. Okay, so answer we have calculated here that 20. So because 200 x1 x2 x3 xn will always be 200 as calculated here. 200 we have calculated in those questions that 200. Okay, 200 calculated, put the 200 here, substitute this value of the xn as to 200, and the 40 is given here. 5 numbers is substituted from the 8 total number. So we have written 5s and then calculate here and solve these questions. Okay, thank you very much. And these types of questions will again, different types of the questions will come out. So first rule says, if the number is given, if the frequency is observation, total number of observation is given and the subtracted numbers, then we will solve this question by theorem 1. Okay, thank you.